Hello traders, FX Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my Forex trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So, on the US dollar yen monthly, I still see the possibility that this could be the end of a wave C right here. If that is the end of a wave C, then this is going to end up continuing the downtrend, probably eventually looking something like that. So, let's take a closer look at that on the weekly time frame. Now, on the weekly time frame, I was originally thinking that this was a 1 and that this is already made a 2, but the way this is going up and the way the yen pairs are moving, I think there's a good chance this is an A, this is a B, and that we're now going to actually keep going up for a C. Probably all the way up to like the 50 or the 61% to make either an ABC of 2 or possibly an ABC of B, because this move down could be a 1, but it could also be a wave A, and then we could go down for a C or possibly a wave 3. So either way, let's head down to the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, you can definitely see the lower lows, lower highs this whole way down. Looks like a wave 1. This is where I did see the possibility of a B, C up, but I could also see that that is possibly a trend like a wave A, and that this move down is a B, and then it just keeps on going up for the wave C. Because of how strong the yen is why I do think that this is possible. But I still see that this could be a correction to this move down. This move down does look like a trend to me, which is why I still see this move up as possibly being a correction and possibly continuing the downtrend. But like I said, we have a very weak yen, and we actually have been having a very weak dollar, so am actually not really trading this right now because do not want to trade a weak dollar versus a weak yen. I would much prefer to trade like a strong versus weak or a weak versus strong. Now going down to the 4 hour time frame is where it looks kind of like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A. This looks like a B, this looks like a C, this looks like a D, and it does still look to me like this possibly could be a wave E. We are a little bit past the 61%, but if it does turn down in a big way like that, or if it possibly goes up to the 78% and then turns down in a big way, that's what will tell me that this is the end of a correction and that it's actually continuing the downtrend. But if that does not happen, if it does not break structure on either this move right here or if it goes up and breaks structure to the downside right there, then I would just keep looking for longs on shorter time frames because I do see the possibility that this could just keep on going up. And since we're already going up in a correction anyways, we're probably better off just to continue to look for longs until we see some sort of a structure break to the downside, showing us that this really is the end of a correction. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, even this last section looks pretty strong, so it's probably not even over yet. And like I said, really the best bet right now would to just continue to look for longs until we see a nice big engulfing candle down. And if that engulfing candle never happens, then we'll just continue to look for longs in an uptrend, and we'll just trade this thing long. And if it just keeps on going up, making a big wave C, like I was showing on the longer time frames, then we'll be looking for longs anyway. So it will not matter to us if it just keeps on trending up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.